how is the company doing before and after this staff shakeup here? Is there a reason to look at that as to possibly why the CEO was suspended?
Um, Again, pure speculation. They didn't give any sort of reason, but looking at the dates, so the big move here is that Alt 5 Sigma really tied its life to World Liberty Financial when it decided to acquire this Bitcoin treasury that we talked, or excuse me, this World Liberty token treasury that we talked about earlier. Now, World Liberty Financial is the crypto venture that Donald Trump and his three sons co-founded, and they issue two products. One of them is USD1, which is a stable coin we've talked about before, and that's backed by reserves in US government holdings. So that's actually something is behind that currency. Whereas the other product they have is the World Liberty Financial Token. This token does not imply ownership of anything. There's nothing backing it up. All it means is that by owning the token, you get to vote in new rules regarding the protocol. So what Alt 5 Sigma did a few months back was it decided it was going to build a treasury of this token. Again, the token that has nothing backing it up other than getting to vote in issues regarding the token. So they went ahead and they sold some stock, they sold some bonds, I believe, and they used this money to buy the token. Now, the interesting thing is they've acquired about $1.5 billion worth of the token, according to the way it was priced, but yet the stock market only values this company at about $225 million. So that's telling you that the market does not think this token is worth that much at all. And that's also, you're seeing that not just in the stock price there, where it is down about 74% since when the deal was announced. It was about $8.42 when that was announced. It was trading at around 217 a couple days ago when I last looked at it. So it has not turned out well so far for Alt 5 Sigma.
And if it hasn't turned out well so far for Alt 5 Sigma, I mean, that can't be good, right? Because you said that they bet everything essentially on crypto. They didn't start as a crypto company. Now they are all in on that. I mean, why make the 180?
You'd have to ask them. And I would speculate that the thought is it's affiliated with the Trumps. Crypto's hot. People might buy this. I mean, I honestly don't know. I'm really at a loss for this digital token. Like, I get stable coins. Doesn't mean I'm actually going to use it or I would recommend people use it, but I kind of get it. Like, it's actually backed by something. Likewise with Bitcoin, there is demand for that. There's demand for Ether. There's demand for a lot of these things. But when you start looking at things like this token or the Trump meme coin, which is, separate products, but there's nothing backing those up, it is purely speculation right there. And that is what this company seems to have jumped in on, is that they would, people would be interested in them because they had this big holding of the token. And